Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over where you would add washer fluid, windshield washer fluid, for your 2013 Ford Fusion. On this 2013 Ford Fusion, this is your washer fluid reservoir right here at the front of the car on the right hand side, passenger side, and it's right up the front, goes under the headlight and down in there. So you've got your blue cap here with the washer symbol on it, and you just pop the cap, you can pour in the washer fluid that you like to run and pour it down in there and fill it up up to that line there, or just until you can fill it up. If this is completely empty, it generally will take almost a gallon. It takes about 3 liters or so of fluid to fill it up. And if it's not empty and you don't have washer fluid coming out, you could either have a clogged washer hose or the pump itself has gone bad, and so you would need to go through the process that you can to be able to fix that and go through those diagnostic. But if you're just topping it off, you just put your washer fluid in right there, fill it up to what you desire, and then close the cap back up. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.